Hello, I'm Alex Odell, and I spearhead the warehouse and engineering efforts for CTL Global. To give you a short background, we're a third-party logistics and transportation company, 3PL, that prides ourselves in providing client-focused supply chain solutions. We're a privately held company that was founded in 1978. In a typical year, we'll ship over 8 million packages. We have a diverse team, and we service a wide variety of clients in e-commerce, distribution, merchandising, last mile delivery, any number of services. Pleased to talk to you today about our experience with Alpine Supply Chain Solutions. We had the not so uncommon problem at CTL where we'd outgrown our Bensonville, Illinois distribution center, and we were planning a greenfield move into a new, larger 250,000 square foot distribution center in nearby Elmhurst, Illinois. And we needed a trusted partner to help us analyze the current state of things, to define our desired future state, and to help us develop a plan, facility plan for the new DC. That plan needed to encompass both the moving of all of the existing goods from our old DC, as well as to accommodate the planned growth of our business. The Alpine team and their engineers were engaged to perform a storage type analysis and a facility design and layout. In terms of executing the plan, CTL and Alpine teams worked closely together to gather and scrub historical item and usage information. The Alpine team ran several storage area what-if scenarios and provided several options for the various types and quantities of storage equipment that could be used in the warehouse. The results of the storage type and storage area analysis were used to lay out a floor plan, and it utilized both our existing as well as some new storage equipment, and was able to accommodate our regular warehouse floor operations, including receiving and production and packing and shipping. The results were excellent. The Alpine team delivered a comprehensive storage plan and a warehouse design that's proven to be highly successful in supporting both our logistics operation, and it's really served as the master plan for the future expansion of our facility. One of the questions we often get when we're discussing this project is what are some of the lessons learned, and there's a couple that typically come to mind. First, for the storage area analysis, accurate item dimensions are critical, as well as units of measured data. It may not seem like rounding to the nearest quarter of an inch or tenth of an inch will matter much when you're filling an order, but when you're looking in the grand scheme of things, and all of your inventory, the fraction of an inch variance can get multiplied by millions of units and create major overstatements or understatements of the amount of space required for a particular item. And as a 3PL, we get our data from many different sources and with a widely differing level of quality and accuracy. So we found that by adding a quality check on the item weights and dimensions during our receiving process for new items, as well as during cycle counting for existing items, that's given us a much higher degree of confidence in the item data. Secondly, don't forget the lighting. The existing warehouse fixtures and ambient lighting from skylights and other windows might be adequate when the racking is empty and when you're doing the install, but shadows and gaps in the lighting quickly become apparent when the upper level bays become occupied. So a couple relatively simple considerations, but one that can have big impact to the operations team. I hope this has been helpful, and I can tell you firsthand that everyone here at CTL was very pleased to have worked with the Alpine team, and we look forward to working with them again on our next expansion. Thank you.